Hello and welcome to Sabot TV. Today on Sabot TV, we're looking at some questions on the Venn diagram. And these questions on the Venn diagram are in Baffour series called Mathematics, page 25, I think page 30. Yes, from if you start looking from 25 down, if you reach to page 30, the questions are there. I picked about some questions. I want us to solve them and understand, because lately I've been getting questions on the Venn diagram. We don't understand this, we don't understand that. So I wanted to take this time out and look at the questions, and I'll take my time to explain them. So I want you to pay attention and watch this video to the end, where we will all understand the question carefully. Now the question says that in a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 people read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read both H and T, and 8 and 8 read both T and I. 3 read all the three papers. To find the number of people who read at least one of the three subjects. So let's get straight into it. Now we are using. I intentionally use these three different colors so that we will understand it better. So the red circle will be for one of the newspapers. The green circle will be for another newspaper, and the blue circle also be for another newspaper. Okay, so let's use we are talking about universal 25. I won't write the let whatever, that one we assume and presume we know already. So okay, so they say that 25 people read newspaper H. Now the universal is 60. Okay, so newspaper H is 25. Okay, and also newspaper T is 26, and newspaper I is also 26. Now let's continue. We are here. He said that 9 read both H and I. So this H and this is I. So we have 9 here. And 11 read both H and T. So this H, the red one is H and the green one is T. So this is where the H and T only meet. So that one we hear 11. And they say 8 read both T and I. So T and I. We have our 8 over here. And he said 3 read all the three newspapers. So if all the three newspapers, we have it here. Okay, so from there, this is what we'll do. The question is asking us to find the number of people who read at least one of the newspapers. Now, at least one, we have to find those. We have to first find for those who read only H, only T, and only I. So after that one is done, then we can come to the question by saying at least one. Okay, we'll come to that question by saying at least one. So now let's pick circle H so that we'll find this side of it. So let's put A here, let's put B here, let's put C here. We are taking the red circle, only the red circle. The numbers in the red circle, we are adding them together. So we are going to get, and the total of that red circle will give us 25. Okay, so we are going to get A plus 9 plus 3 plus 11 should give us 25. Okay, so from there, what do we have to do? We have to group them. So 9 plus 11 gives us 20. 20 plus 3 gives us 23. So we're going to get A plus 23 being equal to what? 25. So we're going to get A being equal to 25 minus 23. Then our A will give us what? 2. So meaning that this side that we put we place A there. So that A is giving us what? 2 for the red. Okay, A is giving us 2 for the red. Now we'll do the same thing for circle B, and we'll do the same thing for circle C. Sorry, for circle T and circle I. So for circle T, we are going to get 11 plus 3 plus 8 plus B being equal to 26. Now we are going to get 11 plus 8 will give 11 plus 3 will give us 14. 14 plus 8 is going to give us 22. We're going to get 22 plus B being equal to 26. Then I'm going to get B being equal to 26 minus 22. So B will give us 4. So for B here, we are going to get 4 for B. Okay, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so now we are done with circle T as well. So let's go to circle I. So circle I. So for circle I, we are going to get 9 plus 3, that's the blue circle, plus 8 plus c being equal to 26. So 9 plus 3 will give us 12. 12 plus 8 give us 20. So we're going to get 20 plus c being equal to what? 26. We're going to get c is equal to 26 minus what? 20. Then c is going to give us what? 6. So here too, it means that our for our c, we are getting 6. Now if we are done with the 3 circles, we will find the onlys. So the 6 here means what? Only. The 6 here means only I. Mean that those people, they read only, they were sure of the paper I. So every time they were reading the paper I, okay, so they were sure of the paper I, as I was saying. So they didn't read any other paper apart from the paper I. And those, the 4 we had over here too, the 4 we had here, they were sure, said these people were sure, said there are 4 people who were sure, said they will stick to paper T and nothing more. So every day they were what they were looking at paper T, paper T, paper T. The 2 we also had here mean that these people, always they stick to paper H. But 11 that we place over here, it means that those people, they wasn't they let me put it this way, they weren't sure of the paper H and they weren't sure of the paper T. So at times they go for paper H, at times they go for paper T. The H also over here, also the same thing. At times they go for paper T, at times they go for paper I. And the 9 also we have here, the same thing. At times they go for paper H, at times they go for paper what? I. You understand? But the 3 we have here, these people, they were 3 people who were reading all the 3 papers. At times they go for H, they go for they read all the 3 papers. Okay, they read all the 3 papers. Good. So now the question says that we should find a number of people who read or who read at least one of the 3 subjects. Now we are saying that at least one. If the question says that at least one, it means that, let me make an example over here. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are then I was told, or you are told, say at least, okay, start counting from at least 3. It means that when you are counting, the smaller one should be 3. So you start counting from what? 3. So from these numbers, at least 3 will start from the smaller one, 3. Then you move up. Okay. Now, the same way, if you are told, say, start counting to at most 4. So it means that the more, okay, now we are doing list. Let me stick to the list. Now, when you come to the Venn diagram, we have 1, 2, and 3. The 1 is those who like only one newspaper. The 2 are for those who like 2 papers, newspapers, and the 3 are for those who like 3 newspapers. Okay. Now they are saying that at least 1. It means that the smaller one should be 1. So if the smaller one is 1, it means that we can have people who like what? 2. They'll be added to the at least, and the 3 people to also be able to be added. So it means that if we want at if we want at least 1, it means that we will pick those here, 1, 2, 3. Then we add them to those who like the 2, 1, 2, these people, and also add it to these people. Okay, so it means that all the circle, we will add everything. Now I'm thinking that this will give a way for complement, but until we solve it, we wouldn't know. So let's solve for at least at least good. So let's solve for the at least and see. So at least we'll pick those who do only 1. So this side we have 2. So that will be 2 plus here we have 6 plus 6 plus here we have 4, so plus 4. That one is the only one subject. Now, let's come to the two. The two, we have 11 plus 8 and plus 9. Okay. Then the third, we have 3. So these are the people that we call them at least one. Okay. Because at least one, as I said, mean that the least should be 1. So we have at most. We will add the next number that comes, the next number that comes. But here, talking about only 3 papers. So it means that it will end at it will end at the 3. Okay. So we add everything. Now, 2 plus 6 will give you 8. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. 12 plus 11 will give us 23. 23 plus 8 will give us 31. 31 plus 9 will give us 40. 40 plus 3 will give us 43. Now, let me take that again. Now, 2 2 plus 2 plus 6 will give us 8. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. 12 plus this will give us 23. 23 plus 8 will give us 31. 31 plus this will give us 40. 40 plus 3 will give us 43. 43. So it means that 43 people read at least one. Now you can see clearly that on a normal day, if I add all the circle, it should give us what? It should give us the universal. But we added all the circle, it didn't give us the universal because we added everything in the circle here. It's not giving the universal. But you know what? The two this side, if I add 11, this red circle, it's giving us 25. So it means it's correct. If I add this circle as well, it's giving us 26. So that makes it correct. If I add the third circle as well, it's also giving us 26. It's correct. So it means that there is a complement that the question didn't state. But because we've calculated all the 3 circles together and we haven't put the 3, that's where the complement will come in. And so the complement will be what? 60 minus 43. Okay, so 60 minus 43, that is what? That is 17. So it means that 17 people they don't read anything. So you have to make sure you bring it even before you continue. So that is it. So that is the first question for that is the first question. Very, very simple. Let me know what you think about the question in the comment section below. If you don't understand, please leave a comment and make sure you share the video, you like, you subscribe if not yet subscribed, because the videos are more common. Thank you very much and have a nice day.